Human being is not one single entity. There's a human aspect and there's a being aspect. They join together, becomes human being. While we know the human aspect, we do not know the being aspect. Human is temporary, being is permanent. Human takes birth and human dies. The being remains eternally. Our life journey is between these two entities. The whole journey is between these two entities, from human to being. If you are able to walk this path, if you are able to fulfill or achieve or reach your destination, which is being, if you are able to complete your journey from human to being, you have lived the life of a human being. You have lived the life for which it is given to us.
Sadguru Rameshji's latest book Soul Selfie, featured in Amazon's top 50, can now be purchased on the Amazon app. Get your copies now. To watch more enlightening session of Guruji and enjoy the bliss of pure gyana, please subscribe to the House of Enlightenment channel on YouTube and follow us on Facebook and WhatsApp. Watch Guruji Gurumaa's live enlightening session every Thursday at 6:15 p.m. on House of Enlightenment channel.